What's up, guys? It is Thursday, December 22nd. It's 7:52 a.m. And can you feel it? It's almost that time. It's almost Christmas time. And I have something special to share with you today, man. That's for sure. We got a huge signal coming in for XRP on the 3-day chart. So we're going to take a look at the Stargate signals 3-day chart on XRP. And I'm going to show you all the times that it is called the tops and the bottoms since 2020. And what we're flashing right now, I'm sure you can already see it, is absolutely huge, which is going to spell some great things going into 2023. So if you're new here, my name is Rob from Stargate, and I started investing in crypto back in 2016 at a time where I had no knowledge of how to trade crypto or what crypto even was. Now fast forward 6 years, and I can assure you I've seen it all in the crypto space, especially with XRP. I've been riding that bad boy out for 6 years. And that is why I developed this Stargate signals, because, after a while, I just got sick and tired of it, just seeing it going down. I wanted to see how I could spot the highs and lows, especially on XRP. And I developed this Stargate signals on the XRP chart. And it's funny because it ended up working on everything: stocks, crypto, all the cryptos, commodities, etc. So that's why I'm here to help you avoid any pitfalls and mistakes that I personally went through these past years and empower you to streamline your way towards success in crypto utilizing these Stargate signals. So if you're not already subscribed, hit that red subscribe button below for future emergency updates, and leave a comment if you would like me to cover a specific topic in crypto that you need help with. So let's dive in to the 3-day chart on XRP. As you can see, and just as a reminder, the vertical green lines right here, prepare to buy soon. You're preparing. You're not buying yet. You're waiting for the vertical blue line, which is your buy now confirmation. Then you have your vertical red line, which is your sell warning. You're preparing to sell. You're not selling yet. You're waiting for the vertical yellow line, which is your sell confirmation, your sell now signal. And then I like to use the Heikin-Ashi candles. Perfect. All right, so here's what we got. We got on the 3-day chart, bam, nailed it back here in 2020. Like, bam, hit the bottom. Then we had the COVID crash. It told you to sell right before it, told you to buy right at the bottom of it, told you to sell again up here in August, told you to sell right on the candle before C lawsuit, told you to buy the bottom back in here. Then it told you to sell the top when XRP went up to like $1.80. Then it told you to buy right back here at the bottom when it hit 50 cents. Then we didn't see any sell signals coming here because we saw a trend change. So that's why we have to switch up the time frames to compensate for that. So if I go to the day chart, you can see that if we go back to that point here, it would have told you to sell right there after ultimately heading lower. Then we go back to the 3-day chart, and we can see that we got another buy now signal right back here in January of this year. Then if we go back to the day chart, let's see if it told you to sell. Then it told you to sell right afterwards, right? Then we go back to the 3-day chart, and let's see where it came in. And then we got the buy signal right here at 32 cents. We had all these buy warnings, right? That's why we don't buy on the buy warnings, because it can keep going down. The vertical blue lines are confirmation. So then now it said to buy at 32 cents. Now we want to go back to the daily chart. Then it told you to sell right up here at 55 cents in like late September, right? Then we got a buy signal back here at 6 cents. And now we're getting 1-day buy warnings right now. But also the kicker is the 3-day buy warning that's happening as we speak. You can see that this is a huge signal where it's called the tops and the bottoms for the past almost 3 years now. So the 3-day chart paired with the 1-day chart for the signals, hit it to a T. All you just got to know is, are we an uptrend or a downtrend? And then you can change the signals based off of that. So yeah. Okay. Now we're taking a look at it. So let's go into a couple other things. I'm going to take this low right here that we set back in November to this high that we set back in late November. And where did we find our support? This is like the holy grail of signals, right? We took this low to this high, came all the way back down to the 786, and we have not one wick, but two wicks so far. This candle closes in a day and 11 hours. So we want to see us hold above that let me actually put it down a little bit more. 0.3387, I think like 0.3366, like around that area, 33.5 cents. Must hold. We got to hold that level with daily body closes. So with that being said, we've completed our retracement. So if we do pull back down here, we break through 32 cents, we could come all the way down to 27 cents. So that's why I'm betting on, hey, we're going to hold this level at 0.3387. We've already seen multiple wicks to it. We have a 3-day prepare to buy soon. And now we just got to wait for that vertical blue buy now signal. And you may be asking, how's that going to come in, right? It comes in from the stock RSI crossing up and the TSI and the MACD. All we need to see is just a cross up, and then boom, we get the vertical blue buy now signal. And based off the pass, it's done a very, very good job at calling the bottoms and the tops for XRP since January 2020. So we may be getting a positive announcement here soon, because we even saw David Schwartz talking about, hey, to Charles Hawkinson, hold off a few days. Wait, you might want to rethink what you just said. Maybe we see something happen here. Let's take a look at when the SEC lawsuit was filed. I think it was in December. It was back over here. So it was December 20th to December 23rd. It was around this time frame. So we're in the time frame of when 2 years ago the SEC lawsuit happened. Maybe we could see a resolution here. That would be awesome. That would be a great Christmas present, huh? So maybe not. At the end of the day, the 3-day buy warning, and that's coming in right now, is not a signal to joke around with. And if I were to say, if we were to come up here, if we were to break above from this high down to this low, we stretch it out. Now it's all eyes on 46 cents. If we can break above 46 cents, preferably 50 cents, it's game on. We could start targeting 68 cents, $1.08, $1.71, and $2.30. So we'll have to see how it pans out. I do know that I'm getting ready to strike on this opportunity with XRP. If you haven't already, I'll put the link to the Discord in the bio of this video, but come join the Discord. We got all these automated signals based off the Stargate signals being sent into the Discord for all these cryptos, all of these individual cryptos. We got stocks and other signals near gold, silver. We also have the peer-to-peer signals where we're trading like XRP to XLM or XDC to XRP. So you definitely want to get into the Discord, get access to these peer-to-peer signals, as well as even the XRP signals in here. As soon as that 3-day buy now signal flashes, it's game on. So you want to get updated on that in real time. So come join the Discord. We're running the Christmas special, the 12 days till Christmas special. We got like 3 days left. 3 days left. So come join the Discord. Once you get in, go to the launch pad. You'll see you might have to, you could just click on see plans right here, and then it will bring you to the page to get access to all these automated signals. If you still see the Christmas special up, bite the bullet on that, because it's super cheap right now. We've never run a discount that big. So after these next couple of days, this is going to be gone. This is going to be gone, and this is going to be gone, and it's only going to be the higher plan. So definitely bite the bullet. If you see the value here, you see what I'm showing you, and you want to get access to it, then definitely do it and get yourself grandfathered in on a lower plan. So that's going to be it for this market update, guys. I wanted to get this XRP signal out to you guys ASAP. I will probably do a follow-up, a market update later today too, with some other things that I'm seeing and for other coins. So I will see you guys in the next video. If you haven't already, hit the red subscribe button, click the notification bell to get further emergency updates, and I will see you guys in the next video.